the exercise 8A, question number 5, part A, what we need to do in question number 5, find the value of each of the following. You need to find the value in that sense. Okay, they have given you specific amount दिया हुआ है या कोई भी क्वांटिटी दी हुई है या कोई भी ऐसी चीज दी हुई है जिसकी आपको परसेंटेज फाइंड आउट करनी है, ठीक है. सो इन ए पार्ट दे वांट 50% ऑफ $75. 50% का मतलब हमेशा क्या होता है, हाफ ऑफ एनी क्वांटिटी, हाफ ऑफ एनी अमाउंट, हाफ ऑफ एनी थिंग, ठीक है. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, हाउ वी फाइंड आउट 50% ऑफ $75, प्लीज सी दैट एवरीवन, इट्स वेरी इजी. Okay.
Miss, it's not $75, it's $70.
70? Okay, 70. ठीक है, 70 आ गया हमारे पास, ठीक है. Now what we have to do, we have to write. इस ऑफ का मतलब होता है मल्टीप्लाई, ठीक है. 50% we want our answer in the form of quantity या जो भी आपके पास मनी दी हुई है उस फॉर्म में चाहिए, तो we have to remove this percentage as well. Whenever we remove this percentage, what we will do, क्या करते हैं हम लोग,
Divide.
yes,
This divides.
very good, divide by 100. So 50 divided by 100 आ गया, multiply by $70. Now we will able to simplify this equation. कैसे हम इसको कैसे simplify करेंगे, 51 जा 50, 52 जा 100. Okay, 1/2 multiply by $70. We will more simplify this. 2 1s are 2, 235. So your answer is $35. So the 50% of $70 is $35.
Miss, I have a question.
Yes, beta, please ask.
Miss, when you divided 50 upon 100, 50 is table. So Miss, we can also divide. We can divide by 5 also, na? 5
Yes, you
table.
can divide by 5 also.
So Miss, 70 will also be put in the one step.
You can do like that as well, beta, don't worry. वैसे भी हो सकता है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है उसमें. Hurry up everyone, complete this one and copy part B. Done everyone, can I start part B?
No, Miss, Miss, I didn't write the answer.
Okay, please do it. I am just erasing this part. Okay, when you're done with this, kindly let me know. So I will start part B.
Miss,
जी बेटा,
is 18 upon 100 multiply 4.5 meter na. So we will let 4.5 point will be removed and 45 upon 10.
very good, well done.
Then we will do cross multiplication.
Very good, very good. We will remove this point, and when we remove this point, so now the expression is 45 divided by 10m. ठीक है? Now you can cross multiply this thing as well, or you can directly multiply whatever you need to do. कैसे कर लेंगे हम लोग? 10 1s are 10, 10 8s are 80. ओके, एक तो ये हो गया. अच्छा, ये चीज हम लोग 5 से सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं. 5 9s are and 5 20s are. ठीक है. Now what is left? 8 divided by 20 multiply by 9 meters. Can we simplify this more? Yes, we can. 4s are and 10s are. और बल्कि रुको, मैं इसको डायरेक्टली 4 से कर देती हूँ. 2s are and 5s are. So 2 divided by 5 multiply by 9 meters. Okay, 2 9s are 18. 18 divided by 5 meters. 3 whole 3 upon 5 meters is your answer. Or you can write your answer in decimal as well. It's your choice. You can write like this as well, or you can write in a decimal form as well. Yes, 3.6 is the answer of part B. आप 3.6 भी लिख सकते हो, आप ये वाला भी लिख सकते हो.
Miss, I can't understand you.
What? You don't understand. What you can't understand?
Miss, well, Miss, 45 upon 10, Miss, 10 का से आया.
Remove the when we remove decimal, हम जब भी decimal remove करते हैं, हम इस decimal को remove करके हम last में ले आए. कितनी jumps हुई हैं इसको remove करने में? Only one jump. That means 10 is in the denominator. समझ आ रही है? अगर ये 2 jumps होती हैं तो नीचे 100 आ जाता आपके पास. ठीक है? देखिए सिर्फ 1 jump पे 10 आ गया. आपने simple इसको simplify करके आंसर निकाल लिया. बस आपको remove करना आता है decimal?
Yes,
हाँ,
Miss.
लिया.
Yes, Miss.
सिंपल डेसिमल रिमूव किया मेरा बेटा, और कुछ भी नहीं किया.
Miss, can we copy question 6?
Yes, you can copy. Everyone, please copy question number 6 after this.
Miss, I am not done.
No problem. After completing this, then copy question number 6.
Miss,
जी मेरा बेटा.
Miss, this meter sign is necessary to write with every solution.
It's not compulsory, but if you can write, because you need to mention your answer in meters. So लिख लोगे तो ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा.
Miss, in question 6 there are 2 parts.
In question number 6, yes.
Can you please write the question 6 because I am not understanding what you want to write.
But I am telling you, just complete question number 5. I will explain question number 6.
Miss,
जी मेरा बेटा. Yes.
do we have to copy both parts of question number 6 or only the first part?
Miss, do we have
No,
to copy both parts of question number 6 or only the first part?
you have to write the complete question. फिर हम उसके question में 1 and 2 करके पढ़ लेंगे. You have to complete question. You have to write complete question.
Thank you.
Okay, can I raise the board?
Miss,
Yes, Sadia. Yes, Vadia beta.
Miss, in question 6, can I round off the answers?
Yes. Okay. Question number 6, everyone.
Miss,
Yes.
Miss, the answer for question 6 part A is 52 whole 12 upon 19%.
Wait, I will tell you, beta. 1 minute रुकिएगा. अच्छा जी, question number 6 is there are 20 boys and 18 girls in a class. Find the percentage of boys and girls in the class. Can anyone please tell me how can we find out anything if we have two things separate? For example, boys की अलग percentage निकालनी है. What we will do first? हम सबसे पहला काम क्या करेंगे? Yes, Vadia.
Miss ratio.
No,
Miss,
wrong. Vadia,
to
tell
find
me.
the percentage of boys, we have to add all the, we have to know the total amount of students, boys and girls, and we have to divide this. It's going to be 38. So we divide 20 with 38 and multiply it with 100.
Very good. Well done. First of all, we need to find the total number of students in the class. Either it is boys or girls. We need the total number of students and then we can individually find out the percentage of boys and girls. Okay, everyone. So first of all, what we will do, you have to find, यहाँ पे मैं लिख रही हूँ, you have to write, yes,
Miss,
total, जी बेटा,
Miss,
yes बेटा,
Miss, can you please wait for me? I'm still copying the question.
okay, no problem. Please mute everyone. Okay, Khatija, done, beta?
No, Miss.
Okay. Dania, you need to ask anything, beta?
Miss, your screen is blurred.
Okay,
Miss, it's a little blurred, not very much.
it's fine, right?
Yes, Miss, now it's fine.
Okay. Okay, first of all, in question number 6, you need to add all the girls and boys to find out the total number of students. Yes, Habia.
Miss, how like we plus 20 plus 18, then how did the answer come 30?
बेटा, because we need to find out the total number of students. दोनों लड़कियों को और boys को plus करके पता चलेगा ना कि कितने student थे class में.
Miss, the answer won't be 30.
30 मैंने कब लिखा? Oh, 38, sorry. 38. Now it's fine. Done, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So after this, when you find out total number of students, you need to find out individual percentage of boys and girls. So what we will do, we will find the यहाँ पे आ गया number of boys, total number of students multiply by 100%. So now what you will do, you need to simplify this. कैसे simplify करेंगे हम इसको? कैसे simplify होगा? 10 multiply by 100% upon 19. मैंने 2 के टेबल सिंप्लीफाई कर दिया इसको और ये आ गया आपके पास. ठीक है. नाउ 1000 कैसे आया आपके पास? डिवाइडेड बाय 19 बिकॉज 10 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 इज इक्वल्स टू 1000. सो 1000 अपॉन 19. नाउ यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डेसिमल. डेसिमल की फॉर्म में कर लो इसको. आप इसको उसकी होल की फॉर्म में शो कर दो. इट्स टोटली अप टू यू. मैं यहाँ पे आपको उससे करके दिखा रही हूँ. ठीक है. 1019. कैन एनीवन प्लीज टेल मी क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? 19 how many times multiply? Yes, Fadia.
Miss, the answer of 1000 divided by 19.
What?
Miss, Miss, can you please repeat the question?
I said tell me कि 19 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि लेस देन 100 आ जाए हमारे पास. Divide this. Nineteen fives are
95.
95. Very good. 95 आ गया हमारे पास. 5 is left and 0 मैंने नीचे ले आई. ठीक है. Like 0 is like this. ठीक है. Now 19, how many times we have to multiply to come lesser than 50? Tell me. 2. Okay. 19 twos are
38.
Shabash. Very good. 38. So 12 आ गया आपके पास. So now how can you write this? आप इसको किस तरह लिख सकते हो? 19, 12, 52% is your answer, everyone. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Miss, your screen is blur.
52. Yes, 52 whole 12 upon
Your
9
screen
is
is
the
blurred
question.
and your voice is lagging. Miss, your screen is blurred.